Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I cleaned out this couch. As you can see, is a total mess, and we are going to be cleaning up this couch with me. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also share this video if you like it, and also leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know, and also let me know any type of content you want me to create, and as long as it's within my niche or within what I like doing on this channel, I'll definitely do it for you guys. So let me know, give me those video suggestions and everything. So I really had to I just like that this couch, I mean, the color is not the best when it comes to you having, if you have kids, but I've always loved like a lighter, anything light colors. I just love them, but unfortunately I have kids, so it gets messy. Not really like that, because honestly, since I got this couch, I have just always been taking out the, like, you can take out some of the covers and wash them. So but this particular side is something you cannot take out, so you just have to kind of like wash them yourself when it gets messy. And this is the first time I'm actually washing this particular place since I got this couch. So as you can see from the beginning, it just looked a whole lot of messy, and it just looked a mess, honestly. So it was dirty enough for me to just wash it and kind of like do a thorough cleaning on it, not just cleaning it, but like more like detailing. So I did the other part of the couch, and this is the second part that I'm doing, because it's just a small L-shaped couch. So I did the other part, and I'm just getting to do the second part of the couch now. Guys, this thing, I mean, it didn't really take me long. I was surprised like at how, and the fabric is just so perfect, like the deads come off so easily. So what do they call the fabric again? I can't remember the name right now, but I'll insert it somewhere if I remember the fabric. So it's so easy for the deads to come off, so that made it work better. And I didn't realize, like, I just, everything, I was fast enough, like before I knew it I was done cleaning up the two sides, and the couch was perfect. I loved the result at the end, of course. Like, so you guys can see how it's already looking. And after doing this, I used my what is it called? I think this, mine is the Hoover carpet cleaner. So this is the carpet cleaner thing, and I love seeing how clean, like how it just cleans it out and just takes out the water from the couch. Like, I love how clean everything came out to be. I really washed this couch, and I was like, even up till now, the couch is still as clean as ever. It will probably take me another, maybe it will definitely take the couch like probably another almost a year for it to even get dirty, because it just, this part does not really get dirty like that. If you've been watching my video, then you've seen the couch how it is, and you've seen me kind of like pull out the covers and wash them. So this part doesn't really get dirty, or messy like that. That's just fair enough though. So the cleaning doesn't, I don't get to do a whole lot of cleaning. I only have to pull out the covers and then of the cushions and then just wash them. So this machine, yeah, and I could have also like used the machine thing to wash it, but I just decided to wash it the way I did because I just felt like it needed a bit more, intense cleaning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already. Click the red subscribe button down and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And this is the couch. This is the other part of the couch that I told you guys about. Look at how clean it is. Look at how dirty it was before, and like compared to comparing the two of them, look at how neat this one is and look at the other one. And I loved the outcome of both of the couches. Like, it just came out perfectly. I don't know why I didn't get much videos, but it came out perfect. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.